Hi friends, let me show you this set of hooks that you can install, well, basically everywhere you want. You can put them over the door with these long hooks, like this. You can put them over the door, or you could use this double-sided tape to fix them in a wall or whatever you want, or you could even use these screws to fix it directly in the wall, whatever you need, okay? So, well, it's easy. You just put the hooks like this. Then we want to put these ending parts so the hooks won't go out. Okay, you get these black buttons, so it will look nice. Okay. Okay. And we want to put this here. Okay, so you have your hooks ready. You can move them around so they will fit your, well, what you need to hang on them as you like it, okay? So we're gonna use it like this with these hooks. Let me show you. And you get the double-sided tape, the extra glue to fix them to a wall or whatever you want to fix them, okay? Thank you. So as you can see, so easy to use them. You just put them in the door and that's it. You can put your stuff here and have it handy for you whenever you need it. Like this, okay? So I think it looks nice. It looks nicer than this one. You can move it around so it's more flexible and it won't bother the operation of the door. So it's just an extra accessory that you can put here and move it around. Thank you.